Hey friend, it's Simply Tea and it is another wig and wine night, but I'm doing it a little bit different this time. Now, I love a good lace melt, I love a good thin lace, but I also love saving a coin, okay? The holidays are right around the corner and I got a couple little weekend getaways that I've been trying to save up for on the side. So I went on over to SamsBeauty.com with my own coin and I decided to just check for a synthetic wig that could give me an authentic lace melt with a nice blend on the hairline. And I know that can be hard to find. And it's actually the Outre Lace Front Wig. And I think it's a fall friendly look. It's a little deviation from my ginger copper wigs that I've been making myself, but I wanted to save some money and I just didn't feel like buying some bundles. Her name is Ginny and she came in chocolate brown. She looks a little redder on the tag that I saw online, so I was expecting something a little bit redder, but it did come very chocolatey, and I have to say, after putting it on, I do really like this color. It's not often that I wear chocolate brown, and I am kind of experimenting with colors this year, but I must say that I really do like it. Now, most times you feel through a synthetic wig for the first few times or after the first wear, you're going to expect a little like snag, some roughness at the bottom, but I will say it does have a natural shine, and it is pretty smooth. I love how full it is. It did come with an adjustable strap in the back, a comb in the back, and two combs on the side. And as a card carrying member of Peanut Head Gang, I'm so used to having to tighten them or move it around or having it baggy in the front, but I have to say this did fit my head perfectly. So I know for anybody that's looking to adjust it a little wider, you won't have a problem with that. It does claim to be an HD lace with a transparent front, and as you can see, I think it's pretty good, but I did have to add a little bit of my foundation underneath the cap as well as on the front part of the lace. The only con I could say about this would be the fact that outside of the parting in the middle, it doesn't really go that far beyond. So I'm somebody that likes to wear a lot of side parts, but you know what? For a little switch up or something temporary, if you're looking for a different look, I definitely think that this would work. I actually purchased this HD lace front wig from Outre for $27.99. That's right, $27.99. So I didn't even pay $30 for it, and I have to say it is giving me the look and feel of some bundles. It's giving me the look and feel of human hair, and it's very, very soft. I love that it's wavy. It's a little variation from the bone straight looks and the big bombshell curls that I'm so used to trying on. So I really, really was impressed. Shipping was fast. I think it got to me in about 3 to 4 days, so it wasn't that bad at all. I got a tracking number the same exact day that I ordered it online, and I just went through. It does come pre-plucked, but I went ahead with my tweezers and just did a little bit of plucking in between that. And as you can see, I did go ahead and install it and cut the lace off. So take a look and let me know what you think. Overall, I would definitely recommend trying this wig out, and not just because it was so affordable, but also because I think it gave a really natural blend on the hairline in the front. So drop down in the comments below and let me know what you think, and if you have any favorite type of synthetic wig that you like to wear that's really convenient and affordable, let me know and I'll try it out. Thank you so much for watching, friend. See you next time.